Hello everyone. Today, if you're completely new to Binance, we'll walk you through how to create an account, complete KYC verification, and set up security, step by step. Every stage is broken down clearly, so beginners can follow along comfortably without feeling overwhelmed. You'll find the official registration link right below this video. When you sign up using that link, you'll get a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Make sure to use the link so you don't miss out on these rewards. First, let's learn how to sign up for Binance. Clicking the link under this video will open the Binance website automatically. Once the site opens, you'll see that the 20% fee discount is already applied. You might also notice additional promotional rewards shown on the screen. At this stage, you can register using either your email address or your phone number. After filling in your details, tick the box to accept the terms and conditions. Then, press Continue to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to complete a quick image verification. Select the image that correctly matches the word shown on the screen. Once that's done, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Type in the code you received to confirm your sign-up. Now it's time to create a password for your Binance account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. Be sure to include at least one capital letter. You'll also need to add a lowercase letter, and make sure there's at least one number included as well. If a referral code field appears, enter Sky333. This unlocks special benefits tied to your account. You'll receive the 20% fee discount along with extra bonus rewards. I highly recommend entering the code before finishing registration. After completing all these steps, your Binance account will be ready to use. Next, we'll move on to identity verification. KYC verification is necessary to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Because this process includes facial verification, we'll continue using a mobile device. Download the Binance app and open it on your phone. Sign in with the account you just created. You'll be automatically redirected to the verification screen. First, choose your nationality from the list provided. For this demonstration, I'll select India. Then, pick the type of identification you want to use. In this case, I'll continue with passport verification. Tap Take Pictures to move forward. After that, press Continue to turn on the camera. Place your passport clearly inside the frame and take the photo. Make sure the image is sharp, without reflections or shadows. Next comes the facial verification step. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. After completing this, your identity check will be submitted. Within about 1 hour, your verification status will update to verified. Now, let's improve your account security using Google Authenticator. Open the account menu. Then go to Security. Select Manage. And turn on the Authenticator app option. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will then appear on the screen. Install Google Authenticator and launch the app on your phone. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your computer. A 6-digit code will now appear in the app. Go back to the Binance screen and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. This final step completes your 2-factor authentication setup. In this video, I guided you through the entire process, from creating a Binance account to setting up security. Each part was broken down so beginners could follow along easily. Your likes and subscriptions make a big difference and truly support the channel. Thank you so much for staying with me until the very end.